Alright, hit the like and subscribe button. If this video helps you out, we got a umbrella from Wayfair that we put together. You'll see it in the video. We also had to buy a stand so it doesn't tip over. So this video is going to be us taking the stand out of the box and trying to get it set up so it will support our umbrella, which is over there. We put that together already, and then we realized we have to buy the stand, which we did, which is pricey. So we're gonna rock and roll with this new stand here. This is what it looks like in the box. So I'm getting ready to open the box up to see what's inside. This ought to be interesting. So it's got the steel supports on the bottom. So hopefully this thing just bolts right. Oh, it's hit my toe. Ah! Got one. That hurt. So we're taking this chrome piece off and just slapping on top of there.
Pretty much.
Right up. I don't know why. Everything's deceiving. I wonder if it matters which way I put this on there.
I don't think so.
Where's the drain? The drain's right here.
There's one on this side.
I think I should have put this.
This goes. This way. Put what?
What I'm worried about is cracking that plastic down there.
Right.
Did I hit it?
No, not yet. Can you pick it up a little bit? Oh shit. Well, you got it now. I got my fingers right under there.
And this is the only thing we're going to take off in the winter. We have to pop this screw up, take that in the garage, or get a cover for it if you leave it out here.
There's covers you can get. It doesn't come with those either, but
okay, now we got to fill it, make sure it's in the right spot and fill it up for water, with water. Now we're filling her up with water. All right, here's the demo. It's full of water. So slide this up. That'll lock. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 locking positions. So we're gonna try to get the umbrella up to the top locking position. There's position 1. Position 2 2. Position 3. It's got 4, I skipped one. I don't know which one. And you can push this down and spin this bad boy around. Completely around. I can't go that way because of the arbor we have built. Alright. And while I was setting this thing up, it tipped over because I didn't have any water in it yet. And this locks at each position. I think it's might as well leave it up. Get a better look from over here. Have the sunset also on the porch. There she is. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. We'll see how it holds up. Definitely going to drain the water in the fall because I don't want to freeze over the winter and crack that stand.